Good morning all. We're in sunny or very foggy actually East London today, back after a week's break. First vehicle of the day is a Range Rover Sport 2008 model V8. It's having a 3-stage carbon clean. The client drove the vehicle down to Cornwall a couple of weeks ago, got an engine malfunction come up and recovery service cleared it. It was for an EGR. It's not returned since, but he wanted to do a preventative clean, so we've advised him on the 3-stage clean. That's the hydrogen that's going into the engine now, the injector cleaner, and most importantly the 3rd stage chemical clean that helps to clean the oily gunk and dry out the carbon before we use the hydrogen. This process takes about 45 minutes. Price is £149.99. You can get us on 01293 769495. It includes diagnostics and resetting of ECUs if required. And we come out to you. We're a mobile service. Or you can send us a message as well, or you can get us on our website carbon-cleaning.co.uk. Have a great day.